What's up, guys? So I'm back. We're back, baby. Brand new year, 100 subscribers. I don't know what I'll do for it yet. Leave a comment and tell your friends to subscribe, because maybe I'll just do a small little thing, maybe a little giveaway for like a decal or something. We'll just see. I'll release it in the next video. Let's just see how it goes. Today, new year, I'm trying to drive this car. So first things first, I ordered a new Mishimoto Radiator because I told them that I had an off at the track. And a little secret here is that the lifetime warranty that Mishimoto offers does not apply if you're doing any track days or whatever. They only do their lifetime warranty for people who just like daily drive their car, and any accident that you have on the street, they'll take into account and they'll give you a free radiator if you, or a free replacement if you provide them with the information, the photos, the police report, all that. But since I had an off at the track, I didn't read the fine print, so I had to order another one. But luckily they had a little bit of mercy on me and they gave me some sort of partial discount. So in this video, I thought it'd be kind of fun, since I have an old Mishimoto radiator from like 2010-ish time, to compare the packaging differences. Obviously they added some weird, tire tread pattern here. They do nothing with tires, they do cooling basically, so I'm not sure what they were going for there. This one in the car obviously has that puncture. This one came from this packaging. I just want to see how the packaging has changed over time before they send it in this very nice like foam cushioning, and it was like really, the quality was there. It was a great unboxing experience, to say the least. So let's get to it. So already with the radiator that you get from Mishimoto nowadays, it comes like just stacked with this honeycomb style cardboard, which is not too bad, I guess. You can see that they've kind of started cutting corners for packaging, at least, just because, it saves on cost. Obviously, cardboard from recycled materials is probably much cheaper and honestly probably more sustainable than this foam. But just an unboxing experience, that one seemed to be way better. But I mean, at the end of the day, if the cardboard is able to keep the radiator damage free, then it's doing its job. And as far as I can see, the fins seem to be okay. There's like some little bends here and there, but nothing big, nothing that won't start forming anyways when you just end up street driving the car. So overall, let me see the top part. Just looking at the bottom. Whoa. The top, they've gone through a logo change. Once I open, you can probably see it better, but right now the bag, this one's more like just a normal font, whatever. But over here is the old school kind of italicized, more stylized font, which I kind of like the old school style a little bit better, but hey, you get what you get. So I had nowhere safe to really keep this while uninstalling the old one. So the bag differences, old logo shit versus new logo, whatever. I'm just gonna keep the new radiator in this little nice cubby in the meanwhile, while I take out the old radiator, just because it's so nice and it keeps it more protected than that cardboard over there. So I'm just gonna leave it like this and then work on that. So ordered a new E-fan for the Civic. Oh gosh, I just wanted to order this just because my old one got mega bashed up. It's actually in several different pieces. The fan itself is missing, and that's kind of why I have that leak that I do down there. So whoo, that new one, the new parts. Oh snap. So this packaging is kind of crazy. It's like shrink wrapped into the cardboard. Whoa, I'll take it if it fits. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. So I took off what was left of that shroud. Look how simple it is to drain now. I can just put a wrench on that, good to go. Bottle's right there. Shrouds, what's left of it right there. Not FES spec bolts right here. Good to go. And Everything fixed up. No scrape sounds. Seems good. So I'm not really sure how much coolant is really left in this radiator at this point, but we're about to find out. Ooh, nice. And interesting enough, they came with the magnetic drain plug, and there's some metal gunk, I guess. Metal gunk that I have that I need to check out. Weird. I'm glad they include this. I forgot that they had magnetic drain plugs. It's cool. Have to check if the new one has this. Cool. So the new one does have it, and it's actually in a little bit better quality. Where's that old one? So the old one, I don't know. I guess it's not that bad. I guess it's about the same quality. I don't know. Oh shoot! Fuck. Great. All right. So a little secret, if you're a little pansy like me, I usually can't twist these loose by hand initially. So I take these channel pliers, I guess, whatever, and you just kind of grip it here, and you just give it a boop, boop, boop. Not too much, because you know you don't want to tear it. And then you let go. No scarring, no, all good, and then it's just that much easier. And excuse me, I'll need both hands for this though. And there I have it, one generally loose radiator, ready to come out. Let me think about this. Cool, so I basically just like lifted out the radiator, kind of like this first because I had to make it over this notch. I'll show you when I put the new one in. And then I kind of just tilted it like this. That way I'll keep the opening this way, and then I just kind of tilted it, poured it out. But after I took it out, I noticed there's this huge ass dent right here. This intercooler took quite a big hit. It's no longer straight or anything. So at least the cool thing about aluminum radiators is you can still take it to the scrap yard and get it recycled, and at least you'll get like a few bucks out of it. So it's not a complete loss, which is cool, I guess. So I'll save this. That new one's gonna go in and pour that stuff in. Call it a day. So the new radiator is in now. The only kind of issue I had is this clearance right here. Like I was saying with the other one, it kind of tucks under here, but here it kind of rubs a little, or not really rubs a little, it just straight up makes contact. So to get this radiator to stay onto here, I kind of had to yank on the radiator like back and like actually lean back, kind of pull on it, and then I was able to put the little bolt in and get it going. And so this baby is planted now. So just got to fill it up, and that will be the end of this install. Everything's good down there. Made sure the fill bolt down there was tight before I installed it, and everything's Gucci.